I'm sitting here running my mouth and I forgot to do one thing. Connect my mic. Hello, people. Another beautiful day. Yep. Hope your five senses work. Health and strength is good. We're excellent. What? What's up, Steam Deck fans? Steam Deck tribe, nation, universe, world, legion. What's good? Mob, what's happening? Squad, what's up? Nerds, geeks, and freaks, and you investigators, what's happening? All right. Grounded update. Grounded. It's coming out April the 16th. Grounded. Stardew Valley has a mod update that's out. City Skylines 2 has a mod update that's out. So enjoy those. But Grounded is coming out April the 16th. Now, for you Steam Deck fans, let's go through the news here. See what I can come up with here. Let's see. Whoops. The Steam Deck Builder Fest is happening right now. We just had the spring sale, but now we have the Steam Deck Builder Fest. It says here, draw and hope you get a good hand in the Steam Deck Builder Fest. Running through until April 1st at 10 a.m. Pacific time, 5 p.m. Universal time. The Steam Deck Builder Fest is live, filled with games, cards, and all sorts. Deck builders are some of my favorites in real time too, so I'll be diving in and throw some cards around. Let's see what they have here for the Deck Builder Fest. Inscription, Tainted Grail, Conquest, Giftland, Ablon, formerly Summoner Faith, Dice Heart. Then you have Euphiligrim, Loop Heroes, Dicey Dungeons, Lucky to be a Landlord, and Heck Deck. And all these are 50%, 30%, 89%, 67%, 75%, 56%, and 50%. So these are the Steam Deck Builder Fest, right? Gotcha. All right, now, what else I got for you? Okay, you like trains? Here's another one. Trackline Express is a bit like Unrailed, even with some more chaos. Trackline Express is a train and track building game from Bubblebird Studios that planned to release on April 18th. It sure does look like some wonderful chaos from the same developer that created the Chill Haven Park. Very much in similar spirit of Unrailed, which is an absolute gem, but here it's even more crazy in a few ways. You're not just building up tracks constantly here though. Instead, the focus is more on building up your train, but you can put down more tracks too. There are a fair bit of crafting, frequent attacks to fight off, and you can even get to be creative with having your passengers help you out, all while trying to get the train to the next station. And then it says here, okay, the features are highly replay value, many items to gather and craft, multiple game modes, online and local multiplayer modes, and mini quests and to conquest, random deterministic map generators. You can follow this game on Steam, and there's a demo. And this game is called Trackline Express. Anyway, have your passengers help you build a train up. Nice. Hey. All right, what else I got? Let's see here. Check out the tactical dice rolling roguelike combat in Slice and Dice. And then it says Slice and Dice from the developers of Tan has recently arrived on Steam, giving players a fresh tactical dice rolling roguelike along with native Linux support. This looked like Slay the Spire meets dice instead of cards. So if that sounds like your sort of thing, it might be time to go back and pick up a new game. And what does this have here? This have gameplay 3D dice physics, choose which dice to roll, simply turn-based combat, level up a hero, or gain an item after each fight, randomly generate encounters, ridiculous combos, undo action as much as you like. Each turn is like a mini puzzle. Then they say features 128 classes, 73 monsters, 473 items, too many modes, curses, weird modding, online leaderboard, slice and dice. That sounds like it kind of, when I heard that term, it reminded me of I think it was was a GI Joe where Cobra had the has the ninjas slice and dice. Anyway, all right, here's another game for you. If that slice and dice is not your thing, it says a cinematic narrative adventure until then release May 23rd. Polychroma Games and Maximum Entertainment have announced the cinematic narrative adventure until then is going to release May 23rd. A fateful meeting set up of a chain reaction upending Mark life. People, despairs, and memories prove unreliable. Uncover a hidden truth with Mark and his friends in this narrative adventure and race to unravel the mystery before it is too late. Until then, and it says, what are the features here? It says, I am not entirely sure what to expect from this trailer, but overall it looks quite gorgeous, almost anime-like in a way. With the mix of perspective here, it will probably be quite interesting to play, though. And it says, features play out your own adventure, investigate the settings through everyday technology, explore the theme of love, loss, and friendship, play addictively mundane mini games, immerse yourself in a cinematic visual experience, experience a world inspired by Philippine location and culture. And this game can be followed on Steam, and it's called, see if I got the name right here, Until Then. Okay. Yeah, coming May 23rd. All right. Until then. All right, what else we got? Let's see here. SDL3 has a first preview release out with HDR and Vulkan for the 2D rendering API. It says fun times ahead for game developers, as the very popular SDL Simple Direct Media Layer has a preview of the upcoming SDL3 now available for feedback and testing. What is SDL used for it? It is a cross-platform development library designed to provide low-level access to audio, keyboard, mouse, joysticks, and graphics hardware on many different platforms like Linux, Mac OS, Windows, iOS, and Android. It says, yesterday, March 24, Sam Lantinga of Valve announced preview. Some of the highlights of SDL3. The API has been significantly reworked to be easier to use and more consistent. The 2D rendering API now has support for more advanced color space and HDR rendering. The 2D rendering API now has Vulkan backend. An example of hardware accelerated video playback using FFmpeg has been added in test/test FFmpeg. The shaded window API has been released with transparent windows. Time and date function has been added in SDL time. Support for webcam video capture has been added in SDL camera.h. Support for handling pens and tablets has been added in SDL pen.h. Support for file open save dialog has been added in SDL dialog h. Cross-platform function for working with files and directories are available in SDL file system.h. A cross-platform for working with user and game data has been added in SDL storage.h. Handling main has been moved to the header library, and optional callback base program flow is available. So support for simple properties has been added in SDL properties. These properties are available on many SDL objects and can be used for advanced functionalities. And it says additionally, one thing that seems to be changing is the moving the default back to X11 instead of Wayland due to various issues that needs solving. Yep, SDL3, HDR API, and Vulkan. All right, now what else we got? See if we can keep moving here. Okay. Whoops. Yeah, the Steam Deck always gets updates. Yep. And then Linux always having different updates. What's this one? It says mini airways is like a mini metro / mini motorway, but for aircraft. After interesting take on the strategy management sim, taking a heavy dose of inspiration and namely from a very popular mini hero and mini metro, a complete different developers doing their take with mini airways. Games are clearly big fan of work from Dinosaur Polo Club. Says here, it's a real-time management. It is a real-time management game with an air traffic and control theme. As you continually expand and things can get a little busy with tons of planes taking off, landing, and hopefully not crashing into each other. Actually seems like quite a nice take on it, and the developer recently added native Linux support to the demo. And then it says they might need to work on the English text a little, but they at least with a demo you can provide some feedback on that. Check it out on Steam. It is due to release sometime in this third quarter. Yeah, mini airway. You want to go? You want to work in aviation? All right, what do we got? What else we got here? Keep these Steam Deck fans up to date. Woo! All right. Let's see here. Says Mango HUD Manager Goverlay 1.1.1 release upgrading to quarter 6. See G Overlay, the app you can use if you want a user interface to manage overlay like Mango HUD, has a new release out that upgrades its inside and fixes some bugs. While Mango HUD is pretty easy to configure, so it's just a text file. G Overlay is useful for those who just quickly want to tick some boxes. And what do we got here? It says here what the developer said. Whoops, come back here. So what the developer said has been improved in 1.0.1 and 1.1.1. Says new. We've given our toolkit a snazzy upgrade to this quarter 6. New, check out the shiny new icon application logo. Fix say goodbye to issues and changing FPS color. It now saves your config like a champ. Fix that pesky PCI dev config option. Yeah, it's sticking around now. Fix ever set AF filter or minimap filter 2 to 0 and felt like it did nothing. Fear not, they'll now actually disable those for filter as instead. Then it says no more wandering windows. The main G overlay window now sits smack dab in the center of your desktop. Cheers to smoother sailings and more streamlined experience ahead. Check it out on GitHub. and this is called Mango. And this is for Mango HUD G overlay 1.1.1. Yeah, Linux folks. All right, what else we got? Okay, let's see here. What else we got? We got two more pieces of news here. It says nature expanding tile stacking puzzler Preserve as a demo upon Steam. Preserves looks very sweet, a tile-based puzzle game all about nature that features both horizontal and vertical building. There's a native Linux demo now available to try out. The idea of connecting up a vertical network of interconnected habitats seems like a genuine great idea for this. More Preserve is a puzzle nature building game that takes players on a journey into a harmonious ecosystem. The objective is to foster and sustain a thriving and diverse biomes where each component coexists in a symbiotic harmony, but utilizing strategic thinking and a keen eye for balance. Players are granted the power to position a wide array of plants and animals, curating an environment that cater to their preference and aspiration. And then it says here features vertical map expansions. In Preserve, you can expand the map not only horizontal, but you also pose an ability to stack layers of nature, forming a vertical network of interconnected habitats, diverse biome habitats from alpines, forests, savannas to Caribbean reefs. Each biome will have its own unique set of plants, animals, and environmental challenge to discover and overcome. Multiple game modes besides regular harmony and puzzle game modes. Creative modes let you build the land without limitations, and photo mode allow you to capture and share your creations at the end of each session. Nature's wonder. Nothing can beautify your map more than natural wonders like snowy Alps, lavenders fields, redwood forests, which you can acquire thanks to a unique card upcycle system. And it says just recently the developer adds Linux and macOS support to the demo along with various improvements. It also advertised full controller support, so it should be a nice sweet game for Steam Deck on the go too. Say give it a look on Steam. And this game is called Preserve. And it's coming. Anyway, anything else on the Steam Deck front? See what we got here. One more. Last but not least, what do we got? One more. Okay, let's see here. Steam Deck and desktop beta fix a Steam Play bug with Windows version. Let's see what they got here. It says here, Valve released a fresh Steam beta client update on March 22nd with a bunch of bug fixes for both Steam Deck and desktop Steam. You will need to opt into the beta update channel to get this. Otherwise, you can wait for the next main stable update. First up, the change is specific to Steam Deck. Fix corrupted fonts showing during early startup of Thai language and a fewer others. The next is for desktop. Fix a secondary context menu opening when right clicking open context menu, and all the rest that affects below. And then it says here Steam input. Fix inverted access when using setup device input. Revert change to default conversion style player space in gyro to mouse mode as it change existing configs. Fix Steam Deck configurator template. Flick stick default bindings. On those controllers with haptic support, a haptic bump will occur when gyroscope is turned on and off due to the gyro enable slash disable slash toggle button if haptic are not set to off. Added a DualSense and DualSense gyro enable slash disable toggle, center touch and center stick for completeness to help with certain paddle mods. Fix for quick settings, enable grip toggle. And then for remote play, it says here, improve recovery for network disconnection before starting the Steam Cloud. Then it says, starting the Steam. And then for Steam Cloud, fixed case where files for one Steam account could be overwritten by files from another Steam account if the first account had logged in but not played the game yet on the device. And then for Linux, fix a situation where Steam would attempt to execute the Windows version of a title without using Steam Play. Yep. And you guys are, you guys you guys are good. Now let's see, Stardew Valley, City Skyline, they have mods, and Grounded is getting an update on April the 16th. So yeah, get ready for that. And of Horizon Forbidden West, yeah, it's best played on PC. Oh yeah, it's fun. It's a fun game to play. All right. Anything else? Let's see. What else I got on the gaming front? If I find something, I'll let you guys know. Okay. Yep. That's it. But other than that, you Steam Deck fans are covered. News, deals, games, update. Yeah. Update just coming in for all the time on the Steam Deck. Every day. Coming in from all different angles. Oh yeah. Got to keep that story. Got to put that if you got the 64 gig model, put a 2 terabyte SSD. If you got a 256 or the 512 gigabyte LCD models, put the 2 terabyte SSD in the Steam Deck. You know, so you can collect all those protons. The Proton, GE Proton, Proton Experimental, and Proton Hotfix. Oh yeah. And all those wine updates. Updates are just like this on the march. Coming in, man. As soon as you go to sleep, there's another set of updates coming in. So yeah, that's how I be on the Steam Deck. You know, look, I had an Xbox One. My Xbox One went through the same thing. So the Steam Deck is not exempt, man. Updates coming in, and with games being sorted, that's already, you know, being added to the list of the 14,000 plus games, and then games coming in, updates, DLCs, expansions coming in. Of course, you got your deals, so yeah, the Steam Deck gets updates, man, non-stop. So yeah, but it's fun playing on that thing, though. You best believe it. You know? It's fun playing on the ROG, the MSI Claw, the Lenovo Legion Go, the ANEO, the One X, the GPD, the Oxzo, Logitech. Yeah, those portable PCs are fun, man. Of course, you know Microsoft is in the works of bringing one to the market, and of course there's the Orange Pi. So yeah, but the Steam Deck, oh yeah, updates. Now those portable PCs that support Windows, that's Windows based, they get updates. You know, they get updates. You know, so when I'm reading a game here on Steam, that game might be Windows and Linux compatible. So when Microsoft release an update for those Windows PC, they get updated. Those that are Intel's, those that are Nvidia, oh yeah, they get updates, man. So yeah, you know, and of course AMD. So these portable PCs, man, they get updates. Laptop, same thing, updates. Desktop, Updates is coming in from all over the place. So every single day. So yeah, every week that is. So yeah, you gotta keep your storage. Keep your storage, man. Like when you put a big SSD inside your portable PCs, you might put like 1 or 2 games on it, but leave space on that. Leave space on your internal storage for all those updates, man, because they're on the march. It's coming in, man. As soon as you go to sleep, you wake up the next day, updates are like this, marching. So yeah, and that's what makes the experience good, man. Like when developers and put the work into to make the gaming experience possible, fun and entertaining, man. Yeah, I mean all those games that are out there that are being developed. Oh yeah, coming in, man. Updates. So yeah, but other than that, man, gaming has been good. Gaming is really good in 2024. I mean, we're about to get out of March, but gaming has been fun. I mean, whatever. Even if you're playing on a console, if you got a 360 in one of these portable PCs, you're good. If you got an original Xbox in one of these portable PCs, you're good. If you got a if you got a PS2 in an original in one of these gaming PCs, you're good. You know what I'm saying? So I mean, if you got a let's see an Xbox One or a Xbox One in one of these portable PCs, you're good. If you got a PS4 in one of these portable PCs, you're good. Or a PS3 in one of these portable PCs, you're good. Yeah. If you got what's that? If you got a Dreamcast in one of these portable PCs, you're good. You're not missing out on anything. Even if you got like a Neo Geo and a Turbo Graphics, you got one of these portable PCs, you're good. You're not missing out on anything, man. So gaming in 2024 has been really, really good. So yeah. With the way these games are coming out and the way they're being developed, yeah. Look, there's a video right now of Unreal. I think it's GTA 3 with the Unreal Engine 5. Yeah. Yeah, man. Gaming in 2024 has been good this year. A lot of these games they're big, and they're huge. So it's gonna take more than one update to like really get the game where it needs to be, man. So yeah. And these developers, they put a lot of work into these games. So yeah. They put a lot of work. But other than that, you Steam Deck fans, you portable PC fans, you're good. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Nice talking to you people again. Chris, still a Star Wars and Star Trek flag. Borg, Dark Side. Go. Peace.